How you doing, folks? Welcome to LPWW, Lou's Private Wash and Wax. Sorry I haven't posted anything in a while. It's been a little slow. Been taking some time off. Been doing a lot of different things, just getting ready to start uploading more videos. Today we got a customer's car. It's a repeat customer, and she's been good to me. She's been giving me all types of customers. She gave me all her families, and she keeps coming. She's been with me since day one. I'm very blessed to have her, and it's just it's an awesome thing, you know. I'm glad that she's my neighbor. I appreciate her business constantly. So uh, let's get to work. We got a work cut out ahead of us. Let's get to work. But it's enjoyable work. I enjoy doing this. So uh, let's do this. Okay, before we get started here, I want to show you something. This is my handy dandy hand blower. Goes out any little corner here, see anything, which is awesome. Got my little tool brush. This is where I begin my interior first. I like to do the interior first because there's a lot of things, I like to pick up a lot of the stuff in the interior. I like to clean it up real quick. The interior to me, speaks volumes. You get this done right the outside. Once you get to the outside, you take care of your time. But I like to start on the inside because for me, when the inside is done, it just I think is awesome. I like doing the inside. Everyone has their preference of doing the outside and then a little bit on the inside, but I like doing the whole inside first. Take care of one, the whole inside and then the outside. So for me, I've always done it that way. So I always start that way. So we start with my little carpet brush. It's my tool, my Ryobi handheld blower, and my handy dandy dusty workhorse. Yeah, this is my little shop vac from Bissell. I use two of them. I use a little small one and I use a little big one, but and the beginning of the process I like using the big one, pick up all the big debris, get it all cleaned up, get up the edges and stuff like that. So let's get to work. Crevice and get ready for the shampooing of the carpets. You can see we picked up a lot of the debris with the vacuum here. Come back here. This carpet looks plush. You can see that. Look at that, right into the crevices. But we like to get all the debris up before we start shampooing and give it some love. Here, see that? Maybe some people do it on one step. You see the little cracks in there. We still got to get in there with the little shop vac here. So we're gonna get in there with a lot of this stuff. But you can see the seats are all cleaned up here with the vacuum. Got all the debris up. Even back here, look at that. We got all the little cracks and crannies here. We're gonna get ready for some vacuuming here. So the first step of the vacuuming is done. So I'm getting ready for the second step here soon. And let me show you what I'm using here. I use my little shop vac. It's not an expensive little shop vac, but it does the job. I can carry it with me. Has a little crevice tool here. Some people do it with the big vacuum, but I think it's encumbersome. You know what I mean? I don't want lugging that thing around. And plus, I'm still using my two favorite tools: the little handheld blower and the little handheld brush. Those things save me a lot. I probably could eliminate this step, but I'm just picky. This is a long-time customer. She's been with me from the very beginning, and I like to show some love. I like to give her a showroom finish on the inside, and we're gonna do the same thing on the outside. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get these little crooks and crannies here. See, we still got some without removing the seats. We still got some little. Let's see if I can get a little better look and show you what I'm looking at here. Oh yeah, you see all that debris there? We're gonna pick that up on that carpet. You don't have to remove the seats. We can get that with this little crevice tool and my handheld blower. So, I mean, sometimes you have to remove the seats, but in this one you don't have to remove the seats. We can get a little bit of vacuuming in there with the little crevice tool. There too. Get ready. Oh, look at that. As you can see it right in between there, you see it? Yeah. There you go, much better. Look at that. You see? Let me get all that out of there. Make it look nice.